enlarge the hole, and whoa, got a scratch there. Oop, you ruined the pearl, right? Nope, you did not ruin the pearl.
Hello, Electro Jeweler Jordan here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove scratches from a pearl.
First thing, see how deep the hole is, or the scratch is. There's one that's really deep, so that I'm going to need to use a rubber wheel. This along the side here, and this, you could definitely use like a 2000 grit sandpaper stick. Now all of these you'll probably need to use either the sandpaper or the wheel, and then Tripoli, and then the rouge. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is the deepest one. Take my rubber wheel. Very lightly. Now these are non-nucleated pearls, the ones that I'm working on, so the nacre goes basically through the whole thing. Alright, that's mostly it. I don't want to go too much deeper because it's going to throw off the shape of the pearl. The second scratch, I'm just going to get 1000 grit, took it out. Let's see. I'm going to go over where the rubber wheel was a little bit. And I'm going to go over with the 2000 grit. And it's pretty much out. So I'm going to even this all up with the 2000. Okay, after that, do a Tripoli wheel. And what the Tripoli does is it polishes, and it also has some abrasive in it, so it will smooth out the surface. Let's get the old pin vise. Okay, now the next step would be to wash it. I'm going to use a little bit of acetone. Would be to rouge it again. The old pin vise. A little bit of rouge. And there you have it. It's a pearl that was scratched, and now it's polished to perfection.
I hope this helped. Please like and subscribe. If you're brightener curious or you need electroforming supplies or information, please visit our website below. And remember, keep on plating and creating.